Two forces made Venice rich, the sea trade and now the tourist trade. Small wonder. This Amsterdam of the South ranks among the most beautiful cities in the world. The combination of architecture and water is irresistible. But the water level is rising. Acqua alta, they call it. And the flood of tourists cannot be stemmed. The population has sunk from 200,000 to 55,000. Venice is going down. At Cafe Florian on St. Mark's Square, the orchestra plays on. At present it is only wet feet, but Venice is flooded by tourists and the advancing sea.